Hey everybody, it's Dustin from Ted's Motorcycle World. We're going to take a look at this new 2022 Road Glide Special in this incredible looking two-tone Apex factory custom paint. Now, we have the torquey Milwaukee 8 114 powering this stunning touring machine that has all the looks and takes chrome with factory custom paint to a whole new level. Fully equipped with Boombox GTS infotainment system, 2-up seat, saddlebags, and the stylish Prodigy wheels, you are ready for the road and all the head turns while crushing those miles. The Apex color option is all about detail with ghosted bar and shield graphics, and they are complemented nicely with the fiery orange striping. Don't wait on this one, folks. It's not going to be on our showroom very long. If you want to know more about this beautiful motorcycle, please give us a call at 618-462-3030 or come see us down at 4103 Humbert Road in Alton.